This has been the craziest week ever, especially if your name happens to be Google. The tech giant has been making waves, leaving everyone on the edge of their seats with anticipation. It's like watching a thrilling movie where you can't wait to see what happens next. The buzz around Silicon Valley and beyond was electric, all thanks to a single word: Gemini 1.5. This isn't just any announcement, it's a game changer, a new chapter in the book of artificial intelligence. The whispers started softly, rumors trickling in about a project so groundbreaking it could redefine our understanding of AI. The speculation grew, the excitement palpable, until finally, the big day arrived. The world watched as Google stepped into the spotlight, a hush falling over the crowd. And then they said it, the words we'd all been waiting for echoing through the room: "We proudly present Gemini 1.5. With that, Google hit a massive high with the announcement of Gemini 1.5. I was able to use my deep state connections to get early access, and this thing has some serious RZ. Let's dive deep into the world of Gemini 1.5, shall we? Gemini 1.5 is a large language model that towers over its predecessors in terms of capabilities. It's like a scholarly giant, flexing its muscles on most benchmarks, proving its superiority to GP4. What sets it apart is its staggering 10 million token context window. It's like a voracious reader that never forgets a word it reads, ever. This massive context window gives Gemini an edge over other models like Claude and GPT Turbo. It's like comparing a jet plane to a bicycle. Now, if you've been in the tech space, you've probably heard of Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. It's been the go-to method to help large language models better understand custom data. This led to a boom in vector database startups. But let's be honest, many of us were underwhelmed by the efficacy of RAG. Enter Gemini 1.5, the game changer. It simplifies the system, cutting through the complexity like a hot knife through butter. It's like having a seasoned mentor who understands your custom data from a large comp context window. It's simpler, it's smarter, it's more efficient. I tested Gemini 1.5 by uploading an entire code base from a side project I've been working on. Then I asked it to start building features on top of it, and boy did it deliver. It outperformed Copilot and every other tool I've used. It was like having a seasoned coder at my fingertips, knowing how to incorporate different components and libraries that exist in the project. Granted, it took a full minute to complete the prompt, but the result was worth the wait. Another standout feature of Gemini 1.5 is the ability to upload long videos. I uploaded videos from my Fira Pro courses, and it could automatically extract code and write tutorials about these videos. It's like having your own personal assistant who learns from your videos and creates tutorials for you. Overall, it makes GPT-4 look like an antique from 2023. Gemini 1.5, folks, is not just a leap, but a quantum jump in the world of AI technology. I uploaded an entire code base from my local machine for a side project I've been working on. Now let's dive into the nuts and bolts of Gemini 1.5 in action. Imagine you're working on a project and you've hit a wall. You need to build new features, but you're stuck. Enter Gemini 1.5. With the power of a staggering 10 million token context window, this tool doesn't just understand your code, it comprehends it. It's like having a seasoned developer sitting right next to you, sifting through your code base, picking up on the nuances, the subtleties of your project. And it doesn't stop there. It recognizes the different components and libraries you've utilized and knows exactly how to weave them into the new features you're trying to create. In a head-to-head comparison with other tools like Copilot, Gemini 1.5 leaves them in the dust. The performance, unparalleled. The accuracy, unmatched. It performed way better than Copilot or any other tool I've used. But another killer feature is the ability to upload long videos. Gemini 1.5 isn't just about code, it's about information in all its forms. The ability to upload long videos and extract meaningful data from them is a testament to this versatility. Imagine the possibilities. You've got a complex coding tutorial, maybe a few hours long. You upload it to Gemini 1.5 and it doesn't just watch the video, it understands it. It extracts code from the video, breaking down complex concepts into digestible chunks. But it doesn't stop there. It then writes tutorials based on the extracted code, creating a new learning resource that's easy to understand and follow. It's like having a personal tutor, available 24/7, adapting to your needs. This is the future of learning, the future of information processing, more than just code, more than just data, it's about understanding. I was able to upload videos from my Fira Pro courses, and it could automatically extract code and write tutorials about these videos.